Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on my Mk2 Escort. I've been doing a few little bits to it, sorting it out, and today I'm going to give it a clean. And there's ESSEX FORD MEET on over at Northweald market, which is not too far from us. And me and Dave, if we get time, we might plod over there today. Let me turn you around and show you what I've done. Here we go, guys. I've lowered my Escort, 2-inch blocks on the rear, 2-inch springs on the front. I'll give you a little look. When I bought it, the petrol cap was knackered and it used to leak petrol no matter where you moved it. So I ordered a RS 2001 off of eBay, not eBay, Facebook, and it didn't fit. So I managed to find another one on eBay and that one fits and works. Let me show you the one I got off of Facebook. It's a printed one that they make. The actual cap is really good, made really well, but on mine the filler neck's different because mine's an import. On a South African import one, well, on my one, my car takes an estate car or van petrol cap. The diameter of the hole inside is a lot bigger on this import, so it needs a different kind of cap. But I just wanted something that I could use. I don't care what it looks like at the moment because I haven't been able to drive my car without leaking loads and loads of petrol. So I'm happy with that. So she's lowered. I think it looks quite nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. I probably won't take no notice of what you say if you don't like it, because it's mine. And this is how my Escort has to look. Lowered and with my wheels on. I love these wheels. But yeah, she looks all right. So I've not actually cleaned this car, not once. The paintwork's horrendous, but I'll sort that out when I get time. So I'm going to give this a little bath and yeah, see you in a bit. There we go, that's that all done and cleaned. Actually don't look that bad. It's what I call a 1 metre car. If you're a metre away from it, it looks like a nice car. And when you get up close, you see how shit the paint is. It's the most expensive 1 metre car I've bought. There she is. Right, I've been told that we're nipping over to Northweald airfield to ESSEX car meet, and then I think we're going to all sorts on the Turpin today. We'll have a little run out. He wants to drive his Fiesta. I want to have a go in my Escort. A couple of our pals are coming. Yeah, so I might get a bit of footage and we'll see you in a bit. To Northweald airfield. Let's go and see what motors are over there. Dave's Fiesta definitely looks nice in frozen white. Fiat 500 crew. side on, yeah?
Side on, yeah.
No worries.
Who's that who's going to turn up in that? How many episodes later?
About 9 million.
Take my pictures.
Here we go, guys. The first proper beaut of the show. Absolute beast. This is my mate Paul, so you don't even know that I'm here yet. But this is very nice. Very nice. Pinto Turbo. It's been eventful.
Shit up.
Pipe split where they capped off the heater matrix on the other side in between the carbs. It burst and started spraying out. And this man, Dr. Ding, kindly helped us out with some tools in the petrol garage, so we can get home. If you're near Billericay, look him up. Our phone number's on there. Thanks for helping us out. Cheers, mate.
See you later, chap.
See you later. Thank you very much.
All right.
Let's get this running. There we have it, guys. We made it back home. Massive thank you to that Dr. Ding guy in the petrol garage for lending us some tools so we can get home after we broke down. And we made it back in one piece with the car still running. Over the moon. It was a great day out. Something a little bit different for you guys. Some nice cars there. And yeah, a massive thank you for all the people that come over and said hello at both the car meets. Some people recognised us and come and have a look at the cars and stuff. So nice to meet you. Thanks for coming over. And yeah, that's about it. We're back. We're done. We're legit. So we're out of here. As always, thanks for watching. If you ain't already subscribed, hit that button. And we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.